All right, guys, this is the old vacuum pump. You can see on mine, really bad failure.
This is Mike Icee. Today we're going to talk about the Mercedes-Benz E350 W212 vacuum pump, okay? So just to answer a few questions, it's fastened by 3 E10 Torx, external Torx. I'll show them to you right now, okay? So you can see the first two are easy to get, the third one is hard to get. Now, I didn't have all the right E10s. I have like one size, but like if you don't have an E10 and it's a factory unit tightened to factory torque, you can get away using a 12.8 millimeter. Fits on really nicely. I had no issues with stripping or anything else, and that's what I used. And then finally, the other part is the vacuum line, which I'll show you right now how to.
This off, you just need to squeeze on both sides, and then it'll pop right off. I'm not taking mine off all the way, but you have to press those tabs a few times, and it'll come off. This one here, it's rubber. You can just pull it off, pop it back on. I might replace it with a new one because this one's pretty worn out.
That's it. And this video is a little different. It's meant to be quick and easy, just to show you that it can be done without removing the engine and that it requires the tools that I stated. That third bolt is annoying, right?
Nasty work, guys.